In this video, I'll show you how to get Hulu on LG TV. Step 1. Confirm your TV supports Hulu. Hulu is available on most LG smart TVs with WebOS 3.5 and newer in supported regions. Update your TV software to the latest version for best compatibility. Step 2. Open the LG Content Store. Press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to and select LG Content Store from the app's menu. Step 3. Find the Hulu app. Use the search bar to type Hulu. Select the Hulu app from the results. Step 4. Install the app. Click the Install button on the Hulu app page. Wait for the download and installation to finish. Step 5. Start watching Hulu. Open Hulu from your app's list, sign in with your Hulu account details, and start streaming your favorite shows and movies. If you do not have a Hulu account, just create one. Step 6. If you cannot find Hulu. If Hulu doesn't appear, your TV might not be supported or your region may not allow the Hulu app. Consider updating the TV software using a supported streaming device or checking your regional app availability. And that's how you watch Hulu on your LG TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. Have a nice day. Bye.